Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Jerry speaking. How may I help you? Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it? May I have your name and room number, please? Thank you for information. Okay, Mr. Nico, room 38. May I take your order? Is there anything else that you would like to order? Okay, Mr. Nico, may I repeat your order? You ordered boiled egg, bacon, milk, and orange juice. Is that correct? Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like to deliver it right away or on a specific time? The total amount of your bill is 850 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room? Alright, sir. How much bill do we need to think for? Is there anything else that I can help you with? Okay, sir. Thank you for calling.